Hey YouTube, let's play this song Big Time by Angel Olsen. It just came out. Alright, we got a capo on the first fret, so we can play along with the recording. And here, after you put the capo on, you should tune to these notes. So you can rewind that if you need to. But that's after. Sometimes when you put the capo on, it messes up your tuning a little. Okay, but that's just the standard tuning. Alright, and we're going to play this with all open chords, which is nice. A, E, D, 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 back to E. A, we start over. So they go through two verses at the beginning. The chorus adds a fourth chord, so it goes adds G. So we start on A, A to G, D, E, and that just repeats. Something behind. I'm needing you big time. The chorus reminds me of the Rolling Stones. A, G, D. Yeah, that's it. That's the whole song. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.